Components of time series. There are many factors affecting the changes in time series. These changes or variation are called component of time series. In last lecture, we discussed about long term or secular trend, second short time fluctuations. Today, we discuss about short time fluctuations. Short time fluctuations. Changes happening in short period in a time series are called short time fluctuations. Short time fluctuations can be divided into two parts: regular fluctuations and second irregular fluctuations. First, regular fluctuations. Regular fluctuations happen regularly in a definite period. Regular change is that which has some regular degree of frequency during a definite period. Regular fluctuations can happen in a year or more than a year. In the first case, when they are happen in a year are called seasonal variation, and in the second case when they happen more than a year they called cycle fluctuations. Seasonal fluctuations or variation. Fluctuation happening regularly in a year in a time series are called seasonal fluctuations or variation. Timely fluctuations is normal and natural in certain condition during a 1 year. Thus, such regular and natural short time fluctuations are called seasonal variations. Such changes happen after a certain time interval of time. This interval can be 1 year or less than that, which can be expressed in the form of days, weeks, months. Here, season means different time repeated in a short period and not any particular season of the year. Such fluctuations as are caused by special festivals, climate, season are called seasonal fluctuations. Production, demand and price of various things are affected by these. For example, there is increase in the sale of cold drinks during summer, warm clothes in extreme winter, raincoats and umbrella in rainy season. Repetition of seasonal fluctuations take place every year in the same manner. Therefore, it is possible to predict about these fluctuations. Cycle fluctuations. Cycle fluctuations also happen like seasonal fluctuations after a definite period of time. Their time period is longer than that of seasonal fluctuations. Usually, period of cycle fluctuations is more than 1 year. Generally, their form is like a wave. Distance from the top to bottom of these wave is not uniform. Cycle fluctuation take place because of trade cycles. According to Mitchell, successive wave of expansion or construction that occur at about the same time in many economic activities is known as business cycle. Random or irregular fluctuations. Such changes in time series as happen irregularly due to sudden cause are called random or irregular fluctuations. Irregular fluctuations are two types. First, those changes which happens due to occasions. These changes are called uncontrolled variations. The second are those changes which happens irregularly due to sudden cause like strike, flood, war, drought. Therefore, these changes are called random fluctuations. Therefore, their measurement and prediction is impossible.